Hello, my dear all children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So today we are here to discuss about new poem of your class 5 from your English textbook Marigold. Our poem name is My Shadow. But before starting your poem, you can see a picture here. Can you tell me what is this? You all know about it? Yes. Sun. So do you know what does it give to us? What does sun give to us? So here in this picture, sun is not here, but light is here. So do you know whenever there is light, someone follows you. And who is following you at that time? Whenever there is light, you can see in this picture. Can you observe something here? See this video. Children are running. And with children, something is there. Can you tell me what is that? See again. Can you tell me? Many examples we can see while sitting, while traveling, while dancing, while standing, all the time something is with us. Have you ever wondered who it is? Can you think in your mind? Yes, it is our shadow. So what is shadow? Have you ever think about it? Have you heard this word shadow? A shadow is a dark shape. We saw this previous video. Children were running and with them something was there. And that is a dark shape. That is called shadow. And how it is formed? It is formed when an object blocks a source of light. Any solid object blocks a source of light, then shadow is formed. Sometimes it seems very small. You can see in this picture, the shadow is with him and he is jumping. Okay. So do you know the shadow, how it is formed? See this picture carefully. When sun falls light on solid object, then shadow formed gradually. Okay, in this picture, when sun falls light on solid object, then shadow forms gradually. So this is the process. We are not going deeply here because we have to discuss our poem, which is name is My Shadow. So you all will be enjoying this poem also. Read carefully and enjoy also. So let's start our poem. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. Here in this picture, child said he has his shadow. We all have our shadow and it is always with us. Sometimes it is with us, sometimes we are not able to see, but always it is with us. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. Is there any use of your shadow? Can you think? Only we can see our shadow. He is not helping us. He is not eating anything. Okay. Next line. He is very, very like me from always it looks like you. Here in this picture you can see So next line. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Always what I saw, always I see when I jump into my bed, my shadow is jump before me. My shadow is jumping before me when I jump into my bed. It is very strange, isn't it? Next paragraph. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. What is the funniest thing? Here, funniest means it is the superlative degree of the fun. Superlative degree of the word fun. Somebody cracks joke, then you laugh at that time. Okay. So same as it is the funniest thing. What is the funniest thing? He likes to grow, not at all like proper children. We all grow very slowly. You all know we all grow very slowly. You can see in this picture. Slowly we are growing one by one, following all the steps. But our shadow, it is not like us. It grows sometimes bigger than us, sometimes smaller than us. Next line. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. Sometimes it looks like taller like an India rubber ball. You all know about cricket. Our shadow also taller than us. And he sometimes gets so little. There is none of him at all. And sometimes what we find? Sometimes we see there is no one. It is very small, so little. Next line. One morning, very early before the sun I was up. At one morning, what he did? He woke up early before the sun I was up. What is the meaning of I was up? Means I got up. Okay. So at one morning, he woke up before the sun. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. And what he found? He found the shining dew. You can see a picture here on every buttercup. What is the meaning of buttercup? It is a flower. Buttercup, it is a flower. You can see small drops here. Okay. But my lazy little shadow like an errant sleepy head. But my shadow is very lazy. He was on bed. I woke up early in the morning before the sun. But my shadow is not with me. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. But you will find the answer. How is it possible? Before the sun, you are not able to see your shadow. Next line. Had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. He was telling his shadow Isn't it funny? Yes. So this poem has written by Robert Louis Stevenson. What is our writer name? Robert Louis Stevenson. Understand? So now we'll recite our poem. Let's recite the poem. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He's very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me and when I jump into my bed. Next line. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. And he gets so little that there is none of him at all. One morning very early before the sun I was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He's very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. One morning very early before the sun I was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was asleep in bed. Now it is activity time. What will you do in your activity? You have to do some shadow picture. How will you do? You will use your hands. Okay, just like in this picture somebody has used their hands, same as you will use your hands, and you have to create your shadow. Okay, so we'll meet soon in next video. I hope you all understood about it. Till then, thank you so much.